Let's take a unique ride on the original Wisconsin Ducks. Come on, everybody. Riding aboard an authentic World War II amphibious vehicle known as a duck, the Wisconsin Dells Duck Tour takes you on an 8.5-mile, approximately 1-hour excursion.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome aboard the amphibious duck, Lake Gulf. And just like that, we have descended into beautiful Ferndale. I may have noticed a slight temperature drop down here in Ferndale. That is actually because of two reasons. One, the trees above act as a natural canopy, blocks out most of the sunlight. And two, these sandstone cliffs. Now this sandstone holds a lot of moisture, acting as a natural air conditioner, making it 5 to 10 degrees cooler. Alright, here we go for our first splashdown of the day.
Transitioning from a land vehicle to a water vehicle is quite fun.
And just like that, we are boat afloat the Wisconsin River. Most famous rock formation on today's tour. It's actually known as Hawk's Beak. Now if we look straight in front of the duck, follow the shoreline to the left to this nearest point where that boat is. Look about 50 feet up from that and you will see some split rocks. Now if you use your imagination a little bit, that bottom split rock curving up, that's the Hawk's lower beak. Rock at the top, that's the Hawk's upper beak. And that little rock right in the middle, well, that is the Hawk's tongue. It was featured on the front cover of Life magazine. Alright, you guys, by now you probably have noticed these giant sandstone cliffs off to either side of the duck. Well, this is actually a rare form of sandstone known as Potsdam sandstone. We notice off to the right here a little change in scenery. It's actually because one of the worst natural disasters that hit the Dells area.
On June 9th, 2008, there was a record rainfall, which caused the road and the dam to collapse,
Draining all 267-acre Lake Delton in just 2.5 hours, taking with it 5 summer vacation homes. Off to the right here is the best look you'll get at this sandstone, as it has layered up over the years. Off to the left, here's the W.J. Newman Dam, built back in 1932, to hold back the rushing waters of Dell Creek, creating Lake Delton right up there. I wasn't joking about that tidal wave back there, was I?
some of the beautiful homes on Lake Delton. And just like that, we're back on land.
We have just entered Dells Scenic Park. Just like that, we have made it to Last Look Point. It is actually the last good look we'll get at the Wisconsin River. There's a 50-foot drop off to the right. Could be our last good look at life if we don't take it slow. Alrighty, you guys, we're about to make our way through Redbird Gorge. Now, Redbird Gorge right here is 8 feet 6 inches wide. And if you remember me telling you earlier, this duck here, 8 feet 2 inches wide, leaving me with 4 inches of wiggle room. We're about to make our way down Black Hawk Gorge. Now, this is actually the steepest part on today's tour, so just hold on tight. We have just entered the Helen Robb Tree Plantation view. Now, I want to wish you an amazing stay at the beautiful Wisconsin Dells, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. It lets YouTube know that you are enjoying the content.